This question says a plastic ball is dropped from a height of 1 meter and rebounds several times from the floor. If 1.3 seconds elapse from the moment it is dropped to the second impact with the floor, the coefficient of restitution is. So here, the situation is the particle is dropped, then it rebounds and comes back. The total time is given to be equal to how much? 1.3 seconds, right? Now I need to find the time taken by the body to hit the ground for the first time. So I'll call this as T1. Now I can write T1 equal to root 2h by g. So that is equal to root 2 into 1 by 10. So approximately root 2 by 10, that is root 0.2, that is approximately equal to 0.45 seconds. Now T2 is the time of flight of the second part, time of flight of the particle between first bounce and second bounce, then T2 would be equal to 1.3 minus 0.45, that is 0.85, right? Now we know that time of flight equal to 2u by, so 2u by g for vertical projection. So u would be equal to g T2 by 2, that is equal to 10 into 8.5 by 2. So that is 4.25 seconds, right? Now let's find out the velocity with which the ball reaches the ground for the first case. So v equal to root 2gh, that is equal to root 2 into 10 into 1. So that's approximately equal to 4.45 meter per second. So this is 25 meter per second. Now let's look at coefficient of restitution. Coefficient of restitution is velocity of separation by velocity of approach. Now here velocity of separation is let's say it is reflected with speed v1 and it hits with speed u1. Then v1 equal to how much? It is root v1 is u, that is equal to 4.25 meter per second. And what is u1? u1 equal to, u1 is the velocity with which it is hitting ground. u1 is equal to minus of 4.45 meter per second. Now u2 equal to v2 equal to velocity of earth, that is 0. So coefficient of restitution is v1 is 4.25 minus 0 by 0 minus of minus 4.45. So that is equal to 4.25 by 4.45. So which is almost equivalent to 0.95. So the coefficient of restitution in the collision is 0.95, that is option B. Hope you could follow this. Thank you very much.